Hey there, Nick Cavalanci here with MSP360 TechBytes. This is going to be a new series of short videos filling you in on MSP360 product features and benefits. The first video we have for you is on Microsoft 365 backups. Now, I'm assuming either you or your clients use Microsoft 365. And if you thought that Microsoft took care of backing up all of your Microsoft 365 data, you'd actually be wrong. While Microsoft does provide features that will recover deleted items within the platform, it generally only covers it for about 30 days and isn't really a backup at all. It's just a series of undelete features. So it's really important that you have an actual backup solution to protect all the data that you have residing in Microsoft 365. So how can MSP360 help with this problem? MSP360 offers several key solutions for backing up Microsoft 365 data. Let me explain. With MSP360, your data can be securely backed up to a separate server or to a cloud storage provider outside your Microsoft 365 environment. This ensures that your data is protected from accidental deletions, malicious attacks, and even outages. MSP360 also allows you to choose what data you'd like to back up, whether it's emails, contacts, calendars, or documents. You have granular control over what data gets backed up, ensuring that you're protected against any and all kinds of incidents. MSP360 also keeps track of file versions, so if you accidentally overwrite a file or need to restore an older version, you can easily do so. Now, in the case of data loss, MSP360 makes it easy to restore your data back to Microsoft 365. You can quickly retrieve individual files, restore an entire mailbox, pick a single individual email, whatever is necessary to save you time and effort. Now, if you're worried about the security of the backup data, you don't have to be. MSP360 protects your backups in transit and at rest by using secure encryption protocols to transfer the data between Microsoft 365 and the backup server, as well as supporting immutable backups to ensure that the data can't be deleted or modified during a cyber attack. This ensures that your information remains confidential and protected from unauthorized access. MSP360 also allows you to set long-term retention policies, ensuring your data is securely stored for as long as you need, meeting all compliance requirements and legal obligations. Here's a couple of other key benefits of using MSP360 Backup you should know about. You can do a cross-user search, which makes it possible to find a specific piece of email by subject, sender, date, etc. within the entire organization. This can be used for legal purposes such as audits, or maybe to restore the email, or simply just you're trying to find something where you're not clear where it actually exists within the environment. MSP360 Backup also is a set up and forget it system. You can configure MSP360 Backup to add new users to backups automatically, and can configure the default retention policies as well. Also, exporting to PST is a powerful option for keeping a local copy of the backups as well for legal reasons. So if you or your clients are using Microsoft 365, it's a must-have to have a complete, secure, and accessible backup of your Microsoft 365 data. MSP360 gives you protection from data loss and flexible backup options for version control, restoration, and long-term retention. To find out more, you can contact your account representative or email sales@msp360.com. Thanks for watching today's Tech Bytes. Catch you on the next one.